Welcome to Homeschooling channel. In this class, the subject is biological science and the topic is introduction of cell. We are going to learn about the cell and its structure. Today, I will ask you some questions. What are living beings made up of? What are living beings? Living beings are plants and animals. What are they made up of? They are made up of cells. What is cell? The fundamental and basic unit of living organism is cell. Can we vision with our naked eyes? No, we can't see them with our naked eyes. Are they countable? No, cells are not countable. Cells are invisible. Cells are uncountable. The fundamental and basic unit of any living organism is cell. Cell is very minute part of our body. I will prove you by doing some activities in this class about the cell. Let us do the first activity. This is thermocol sheet. This is thermocol sheet. It is made up of thermocol balls. It is made up of thermocol balls. Thermocol ball is the basic unit of thermocol sheet. Likewise, our body is also made up of cells. If there is no cells, there is no any living organism or there is any life or there is no any life. I will show another model of wall. This is the model of wall. The wall is made up of bricks. The basic unit of wall is a brick. If there is no brick, there is no wall. Like that, if there is no cells, there is no any living organism. There is no any life. I will show you another activity. This is sand. I will take a pinch of sand. Can we count the sand particles in my pinch? No, we can't count them because they are uncountable. Like that, in any human being or any living being, it is unable to count the number of cells. They are uncountable. Cells are uncountable. I will show you another activity. This is talcum powder. I will blow it into the fire. After some time, the talcum powder particles spread in the air. But we can't find them with our naked eye. Like that, we can't vision, we can't see with our naked eye cells. We can't see the cells with our naked eye. Cells are invisible. Cells are invisible. We can see the cells only with the help of compound microscope. I will repeat the same points. Cells are invisible. Cells are uncountable. Our body is made up of cells. Cell is a structural and functional unit of our body. Cell is basic and fundamental unit of our body. Without cell, there is no life, there is no any living organism. And now I will describe the structure of the cell. I will describe the structure of the cell. This is only the imaginary picture of the cell. Cells are very minute particles than dust particles. We can't observe them with our naked eye. This is only imaginary pictures. The main parts of cell have three parts. First one is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Second one is cytoplasm. The plasma membrane covers the cell. It is the outermost layer of the cell. It protects the cell from harmful poisonous substances. It protects the cell. It gives shape to the cell. It is plasma membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. Second one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid-like structure present in cell. It is medium only. Many other organelles float in this cytoplasm. Next, these are all called, the other minute particles present in the cell are called organelles. There are 5 or 6 main organelles in the cell. The first one is nucleus. Nucleus present in the middle of the cell. It is round in shape. It contains genetic information. It determines the characters of the living beings. It controls all the functions of cell. So, cell nucleus is the main organelle of all organelles. Nucleus is the main organelle of all the organelles. Next one, mitochondria. Mitochondria is another organelle present in cytoplasm. Its function is producing energy. It produces energy by cellular respiration. It stores energy in its body. So mitochondria is called powerhouses of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. They may be 100 to 150 in each cell. Next one, ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum also present in the cytoplasm. It is neck-like structure. It is neck-like structure. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulums. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They participate in the transportation of several materials or substances within the cell. Okay, next one, ribosomes. Ribosomes also present in the cytoplasm. They consist of proteins. Next one, Golgi complex. Golgi complex are formed with many layers. They are packaged bodies in the cell. They are packaged several substances in the cell. Next one and last one, lysosomes. Lysosomes are called as suicidal bodies. They destroyed all the waste substances and died their cell. So they are called suicidal bodies. Lysosomes are called as suicidal bodies. I will repeat the structure of the cell. First one is plasma membrane. It covers the cell. The outermost layer of the cell is called plasma membrane. Next one, cytoplasm. This is liquid portion present in the cell. It is only medium. Many other organelles float in this medium. There are 5 or 6 other smallest particles in the cell. They are called organelles. First one, nucleus. Nucleus is the most important organelle of the cell. It contains genetic information, it determines characters, it regulates all activities going in cell. Next one, endoplasmic reticulum. It transports several substances from one place to another place within the cell. Next one, ribosomes. It consists of proteins. Next one, Golgi complex. Golgi complex forms with several layers. They are packaged bodies. They pack proteins and other materials. Next one, lysosomes. These are called as suicidal bodies. They destroy all the waste materials by releasing some enzymes and die their cells. So they are called lysosomes. This is the structure of any cell. On the basis of cells, the animals are divided into two types. If a living organism is single celled, it is called unicellular organism. If any living being has only single cell, it is called unicellular organism. If any organism has more than one cells, are called multicellular organisms. Example, bacteria, amoeba, euglena, paramecium, plasmodium, these are all belongs to unicellular organisms. they have only single, they are only single cell, they are having only single cell, so they are called unicellular organisms. The remaining all developed animals belongs to multicellular animals. They contain more than one cell. We can't count the number of cells. This is the structure of cell. Goodbye.